If an explosion goes off outside your building, the glass in your windows can turn into tiny bullet-like shards, flying at tremendous speed. Flying glass is the cause of 90% of deaths, injuries, and damage. However, there's an affordable and quick-to-install solution. In the event of a blast, blast mitigation film and edge retention systems are designed to contain all glass fragments safely in the window frame, protecting your people and property. Whether a terrorist attack, gas explosion, or adverse weather, if the building is structurally sound, everyone can return to work without the need to relocate. Solartek supplies and fits all types of window film throughout the UK. Our blast protection range includes combined films that protect, give privacy and security, cut heat and glare, and considerably reduce energy spend. All our internally installed films come with a 10 years manufacturer warranty. Take steps to protect your building today. Contact us for your free safety glazing consultation.